Hello people, so today we are going to see the demo of Smart Boy. It is a general purpose chatbot. Here user can ask multiple things and the bot will respond accordingly. So we'll go through the chat one by one. So on clicking on this get started button, the bot will respond you appropriately. Here bot is collecting basic information of the user, like here it is collected username, that is will be fool. So hello fool, I am a smart boy. I can help you solve technical problem and can give frequently asked question answers, and you can ask anything. So we'll get started. We'll say like hi. So the bot is responded like, yeah, how can I assist? So I want to know the current weather in New Delhi. So it said like current weather in New Delhi is around 30 degrees Celsius and it will be haze in the area. In another way also we can check weather forecast also. Forecast for New York. So the bot responded like temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and there will be overcast cloud in the area. So this is how you can get to know the weather information of a specific area using this bot. So now let's try something else, like I am hungry. So bot responded like, I can order pizza for you. Would you like to eat pizza? So yeah, we can go for ordering pizza or we can try something else also. So let's see what the bot responded for this something else. So the bot said like, yeah, they don't deliver anything as for now. They are just delivering a pizza. So let's try this pizza, how the ordering goes on. So okay, so they asking us to select the toppings. So we'll go for veggie, peppers, and onion. So the bot is asking like whether the person wants to have drink with the order. So yes, they want the drink. And yeah, so a combo coming right up. So this is how a user can order pizza using this bot. So now we have ordered a pizza, we are waiting for pizza. So I can type like, I am getting bored waiting, please tell me a joke. So this bot understand it and tells you a joke. So this is how you can also ask for another one. So the bot will understand that user want to hear another joke and give you another joke. Okay. So this is how this bot will entertain also. So let's try something else. Let's have a chat. So the user wants to have chat with the bot. So bot responded like, yeah, I love chatting too. I'm good in technical field. Wanna hear joke or movie info? So we have already seen how the joke works. So we'll go for movie info. So the bot responded with the movie poster along with the information like it is having 6.4 IMDb rating and the time running time is 106 minutes. So I can also check information regarding other movie also. So tell me about Iron Man. So let's see how the bot responds. Again bot responded with a poster and a genre like adventure of sci-fi and along with the 7.9 IMDb rating and has to 126 minute of running time. So we can also check for other movies like this. Along with this we can find similar movie to Iron Man. So the bot has responded with the similar movies. You can scroll and see all the similar movies with Iron Man, like it's cartoon movie, it's different parts and all will be available. So I want to know, tell me about Avatar movie. Let's see how the bot responds for this. Similar way, poster along with the IMDb rating and the running time. So this is how bot responds with the movie information and also suggest movie. So bot also suggests us movie like similar movie to Avengers. Like let's see what bots give us. So it gave like Avenger Infinity War, Avenger Endgame, and Avenger Age of Ultron, and this is how all the Avenger movies information is provided by the bot. So let's try something else. Let's get something from technical aspect of this bot. Technical information for Windows installation. Let's see how bot responded for this one. So the bot responded like, okay, you want to install through bootable pen drive or CD drive. So I'll go for bootable pen drive. I can also go for CD, and the bot will provide information for CD, how to go installation, do installation using CD. But here I have choose bootable pen drive. So bot is giving every information like step by step using CMD. So I can follow these step and make my pen drive bootable, and after making it bootable I can directly install after restarting my system. So this is how the technical aspect also work. Here bot has also provide quick menus. You can see like fun news, person can subscribe to fun news, person can click on this surprise me, can give feedback, view website, and start here will again start the flow. So let's see how fun news works. So on clicking on this fun news, bot is asking whether you want to activate like latest fun technology news or other some laugh every often it will send to you. So you can choose you want once per week or you can use want once per day. So I'll go for once per week. So the bot will send me information after every week. So like yeah, I got subscribed for this thing. I can unsubscribe from this newsletter by typing unsubscribe, and bot will understand it and it will take the subscription back. Along with this fun news, we have other also like surprise me. So how the bot will surprise me, let's see. So the bot has provided with a video. We can click on it.
This is about us. All of us. Right now, a couple billion of us have access to the internet, and amazing things have come from it. So what happens when the rest of us get access? It doesn't get twice as good. It gets like a bazillion times as good. Imagine it, for the first time in history, humanity firing on all cylinders. Everyone, everywhere. New voices, new dreams, new inspirations. And here's the thing, we can do it. It starts up here at 60,000 feet, with planes powered by the sun, opening up the internet to people everywhere. So what happens now when we all have the internet? Who knows? That falls to us. All of us.
Was an amazing fact. Yeah, let's see what when everyone have internet, what will happen then. We can also visit website for more information. It will take us to website, and we can also give feedback to this bot so that bot can improve more. We have submitted the feedback and the bot has took our feedback also. So here one more thing is also available like start here. We'll click on start here, and again this thing will keep on happening. So we have one more option available in this board, like talk to live agent. So let's try this. Can you solve a mathematical problem? So the bot did not understand it. For this purpose, it is asking like, for your more help we can transfer you to the live agent. So you can click on this live agent. On clicking on this live agent, the bot will take you there immediately, and a live agent will do communication with you. So the live agent is typing something, and hello, I am Vikas. How can I help you? So I can ask like, help me calculate 44 into 96 into 54. Let's see how the live agent responds. So the live agent responded like 1 second. It will be 228096. Okay, so this is how the live agent can communicate with the bot. Thank you. After talking to a live agent, the control will be passed back to the bot, and bot will take care of it. Like I can type hi, and bot will respond like, good day, what can I do for you today? So I can have like small talk with the bot, like, who are you? It says like, I'm a smart boy, I can help you in many things such as technical information, movie suggestion, weather information, telling jokes, and I can also do small talk. Yeah, that's really important today, having someone who can do a small talk with you. So let's try how it works. I'm asking bot, how old are you? Okay, the bot responded like, age is just a number. That's a smart answer. So this is a smart boy which respond in a very appropriate manner, and we can keep on talking like, are you busy? And bot responding like, no, tell me how can I help? Please provide info for me information for movie Dabangg. Let's see how the bot responds for this one. Okay, so Dabangg 3 releases in 2019, is an action comedy genre based movie with 3.2 IMDb rating. That's really bad. And about 160 minute of runtime. Yeah, so this is how the bot responded appropriately, and it is quite fast. It is very helpful. We can do a lot more with this bot. This is just a beginning of this bot, and we'll be moving much more into it and exploring much more into it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.